Cover the shirt with a layer of protective paper to ensure a smooth pressing process. Set the temperature to 150 and time to 15 seconds. Press down the heat press to preheat and remove moisture. Once the pressing is complete, remove the protective paper. Use a lint roller to clean off any small fibers or impurities from the shirt surface. Take the prepared transfer patch and peel off the transparent protective film. Carefully place the patch in the center of the t-shirt and adjust its position. Cover it with a film and gently smooth it out with a dry cloth to ensure full contact between the patch and the fabric. Confirm that the edges are accurately aligned. Double-check and peel off the film. Cover the top with a film and a protective paper again. Press down the heat press again. After the heat press, remove the protective paper and peel off the film. Carefully clean out any residual adhesive.